Hi everyone, my name is Aravind Srinivasan. I'm a serial entrepreneur and a stock market trader. Now, having had my fair share of time both in the corporate world and in the business world, I've realized personal finance revolves majorly around three aspects. The first is how to earn money. So whether it's your salary or your profit through your business, the first aspect comes to how you earn money. The second one comes to how you save that money that you earned, right? So I believe, especially being an Indian, this is something that we are taught right from our childhood in our households, right? So the importance of saving money. And the third aspect is how to multiply the money that you've saved or you've earned, right? Like I told you, whether it's our education system or the way we are brought up, we are taught how to do the first two, right? We know how to earn and we know how to save. So how do you multiply the money? And this is exactly the question that got me curious, and that's when I was introduced in the world of stock market. The stock market not only looked lucrative to me, but also looked very attractive to me because of the freedom involved. Although there are a lot of things that I can keep going on and on and on about why stock market, I would also like to mention at this point that it's definitely not easy. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's simple, it's not rocket science, but it's definitely not easy. And I learned this the hard way. I've been directly or indirectly related to the stock market since 2016, and I've been a very active trader for the last 3 years. Before which I started my career as a trader. I did 6 courses, I read multiple books, I went through tons of content out there in the internet, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and that's how my journey as a trader took off, right? So but then, even though I had all this, I realized the journey of a trader is actually quite lonely and boring initially, right? So imagine this, you know what to trade, how to trade, you go sit in your room and you start trading. Day in, day out, you are there alone with your system and your trades, right? Initially it tends to get boring. So although I was part of a lot of communities out there through these courses and other forums, I realized how important it is to stay connected and to follow the right mentor to guide us so that we can make this journey less boring, right? The thing is, imagine you trading with say 1000 rupees or 500 rupees. I mean, that's definitely not bad. That's how you're supposed to start trading. But then even when you make a profit or loss, it wouldn't make a huge impact for you, and eventually you might tend to get bored, right? So that statistic says that 50% of the traders quit within the first 1 month, and overall 95% of the traders quit within the first 6 months. So most of these people quit primarily because they're either bored, lonely, or they go through huge losses right in the beginning of their career, right? So that's when I realized how I started my career. And trust me, Aravind Srinivasan was not profitable from day one. So I am someone who wiped my account out 7 times before I became profitable. Then I recovered all my losses and I started becoming profitable net. So the main reason I wanted to start this YouTube channel is that, so over these years I've taught a lot of friends of friends, and then one thing led to another. I started teaching a lot of people and they started making profits. That's when I realized I have an edge with respect to the trading, whether it's the trading setup or the psychology or the techniques that I have with respect to trading. So that's when I thought, why not put this content out there and help a lot of people who probably is going through or who's probably gone through the same initial phases that I went through. So my intention purely is to make your journey as a trader less boring and a little more interesting than how it is today, and I'll also try making it less lonely for you through this journey. Right? That's my whole intention. And it all comes down to three simple things. This is what I've learned by spending like 7 years in the stock market. So the thing is, you need a decent trade setup, right? So that's number one. It doesn't have to be the greatest strategy, it just has to be a decent strategy and a decent trade setup. That's one. Number two is have the discipline to carry out that strategy and to overall be a disciplined trader. I'm sure you must have heard a lot about this. And three is have the right psychology with respect to this trading and the psychology with respect to handling finances. So these are the three primary things that I believe is required to become a successful trader, and that is exactly what I'm going to be helping you achieve through the content that I'm going to be sharing in this channel and what you're going to be seeing in my future videos. So most of the content that I'm going to be putting out there is going to be beginner friendly, and not just beginner friendly, even if you're not a beginner but your portfolio is still red, I strongly believe this is going to help you. So please do watch the content, and also please do share what you would like to see so that I can actually create videos as to what your needs are. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I really appreciate you investing your time here. Also, please do like this video and share your feedback in the comment section. So as you can see, this is a very new YouTube channel, and also this is something that I am personally doing for the first time. So I would love to hear your feedback and improve myself and my videos. So also please do consider subscribing to this channel, and please click on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's Aravind Srinivasan signing off. Bye bye.